How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Nice, bright, sunshiny day after 3 days of rain. Why is it that it always rains on the weekend and it's pretty through the week where you have to work? Big man, you got that part wrong, buddy. I'm sorry, you got that part wrong. But anyhow, today's video, and I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Today's video is another one of those in the day or in the life or a day in the life, however you want to title it, of Camaro Time. I constantly get asked what I do for a living, what I do in the afternoons, what I do here, what I do there. And it's not an exciting life, I promise you. It's not all glitz and glamour and getting to drive around hot rods all day like some of the other channels and everything do. No, I actually work a regular full-time job. So I take you for a ride today and let you see what I do. It might be a couple days culminated together, I'm not certain. Depends on how the day goes, because I won't be able to film a lot. I'll just be able to film little tidbits here and there, and then I'll put them together in a video for you, and hopefully you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get to it. A day in the life of Camaro Time. It typically starts at about 6:20 when the good old alarm clock goes off. If I stagger out of bed like so many others, I don't use my phone, because if I use my phone I'll hit snooze on it, so I have my alarm clock set away from the bed, so I have to physically get up and turn it off. And I'm typically out the door between 7 and 10 minutes after 7, so that I can have plenty of time to make it to work, because I don't have to be to work till 7:30, and I always have plenty of time because I don't live far from work. Then as I pull up to work, I always look at the lot to see what's here, see if anything's new, see what customers have picked up, all that good stuff. And I'm always the first one here, so I always get the pleasure of opening up the shop, but that's no big deal. That's part of being responsible, right? But yeah, I always look to see what's here and see what the customers have picked up. And a lot of times I'll sit here and watch the wildlife, because a lot of times there's deer right down there in that corner.
Tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town. Tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town.
Yay! And about halfway through the morning, the tool guys show up to take all of our money. Yay! Thanks a lot, guys. And now, back to work. And of course, you have to do the occasional test drive to determine what is actually wrong with the car. And they complained about a noise in the front end of this one, and I've determined it's coming from the right front. Now I've just got to figure out exactly what it is. Harder to find. And I'm sitting here fixing to do an oil change now, and all of a sudden I hear this rumble, rumble, rumble coming up the driveway. And sorry I didn't get video of it, but I couldn't get to my phone quick enough. But I did capture a photo of it. Look at this bad boy, what pulled up. Man, what a beauty. I'd love to have one of these. Radiator and belts. I need for me to bleed my brakes. Yeah, okay. And that takes care of the day's job at work. Just finished putting a whole intake plenum on a 2009 Chrysler Sebring. Now we're going to head and get my car inspected and go home and paint some fence. We're here. Gonna get her inspected. Got my North Carolina registration card. And this is what's really going to tick y'all off. My car being a 1993 model, all I have to do is safety inspection only. So let's get this bad boy done. Oh man, no matter how many times that happens, it's always weird seeing somebody else drive your car. Alright, just so you know I'm not pulling your leg. 7:09. Still going at it. Just got me a snack and I'm sitting here at the computer fixing to edit a video. And I still have to see the wife, eat dinner, wash up, watch a little TV with her, and go to bed sometime before midnight. My afternoons haven't changed after I come in from the previous video, and I'll insert the previous video somewhere, you know, in this general section of what I do, how my afternoon goes and everything. But for right now, the first thing I do is I normally go through, let me show you real quick. I normally go through the people that I follow and subscribe over here on the left. As you can see, I got a couple that I still got to watch, but I've went through all these up here. And anybody that's had a video, I've already watched it. And got one, Uzo Lou Garage, Dip Your Car, Motorfire, Adorama. I still have to watch those. And I figured I'd take a break from watching videos because I know that I'm fixing to do a video myself. So the next thing I do is I go through all my channels that I pull music from and see if there's anything that I might want to use on my new video. So here's one that I'm just checking out to see if it's going to work. Let's see what it sounds like together. Starting off pretty good. So I noticed this is going to be an instrumental, which is always good. Oop, as soon as I say that. I think I'm going to save that one just for the heck of it. Edit. I'll find something to use it one day for. But that is not going to be the one I'm going to use in the video I'm doing today. I already know that. Now, the funny thing is about some of the music, whenever I find it and decide I want to keep it, I may not be keeping the whole song because the song just doesn't work. Like a lot of the songs that I have saved and everything, the beginning of it will be fine, and then somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes in, it always goes to that freaking dance, electric, up-tempo crap, and that normally doesn't fit a video. It's just, you know, doesn't work. But I've got my DaVinci Resolve. Let's get her going. And I'm going to pull in my video clips and do the video. Come on, baby. Crank her up. There we go. Now, let me get y'all turned around and sign off, and I will get to this. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, it's now 7:30ish, and I still have 2 to 3 hours of working on a video before I take dinner, and it's gonna be a long night, which is typical around my place. You know, y'all guys and gals think that, you know, as YouTubers, yeah, we just sit here and we pop out videos, which I can pop out a video pretty quick. But you got the thought process, you've got your daily lives that's got to be, you know, put in. Now, if I was somebody like, you know, some of the bigger YouTubers and everything, then I wouldn't have to do it. I could just YouTube daily vlog just like them and get paid for it, enjoy it, and have a wonderful life driving exotic cars and everything, right? But that's not the way it really is in most cases. Only the very few get to do something like that. I wish all of us could do it, I really do, because it's so much fun doing it. But with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Like I said, I still got a while. Wife will be here probably another 45 minutes, and then we'll eat dinner and watch a little TV, and I'll probably put another 30 minutes in on the video and have it ready to go for you guys and gals tomorrow, maybe the day after, who knows. But until next time, you guys enjoy. We'll see you in the next video. God bless and take care.
Tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town.